This is Joe Cala with JC Training and Development, and I want to train and coach your sales team. Whether you're an independent lot, a franchise dealer, a dealer group, family owned, whatever the size, whatever the type, I want to work with you. What I'll provide is a tailored solution that will match your challenges and provide solutions to help you achieve your goals. We'll work together with your sales team one-on-one and in group sessions. What sets me apart is I'm going to go out on the floor. I'm going to speak to the customer. I'm going to work hand in hand with your team. And so I want to help you. I want to provide solutions and give your people confidence, whether they've just started or they've been selling for 40 years. Trust me, we've been doing this a long time and I've seen tremendous results, and I'd love to provide them to your team as well. Please reach out to me. You can call me at my cell phone, 848-248-0730. You can email me or you can check out my website, josephacala.com. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you soon.